Do you want to be able to edit your reels like this, and this, but you do not know how? Well, you clicked on the right video. This week I'm going to show you guys how to edit your reels to be really moody, dark, and aesthetic. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and to another video. This week we're going to take a look on how I edit my reels to be dark, moody, and aesthetic, which is a video that was requested a lot. As you guys can tell, over the past few weeks I've been really into reels and creating them, and I've finally found my aesthetic, which is really dark and moody, and I don't know, I love just creating them. So today I'm going to show you guys how I create them. And yeah, just keep on watching. If this video is all over the place, it is because it's not scripted. I'm just going to recreate one of my recent videos, more like, or create a new one. I do not know yet, we will see. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys the process of how I choose the sound, how I choose the clips, and all of that stuff. Yeah, so keep on watching, and by the end of the video you will know how to edit aesthetic reels. Now, before we start with the video, make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so I can create more videos for you guys, because this thing is hard. It takes a lot of hours, to be honest. Now, the first step that I always take when I want to create a video is look for the sound. Now, what I do is I just scroll through IG and look for the videos or for the sound that I want to take, right? When I found the sound, for example, I'm going to go to my saves. So I save the sound and then I go to my saves and take a look on what sound I want to use. Now, the softcore one from the neighborhood is a good one, but I cannot use that due to monetization of this video. So I'm going to use a sound that is not monetized. So the reel that I'm going to recreate, more like use other shots for it, is this one. The first step that you do is look for the sound, record your screen so you can extract the sound from the video. Now we go into editing it. Now, the most important part if you want to have a moody and dark reel is the filter that you're going to use on your videos. I usually just film whatever I want throughout the day that I want to add into my reels, and then I add a filter on it. Now, the filter that I use, I kind of created it on Lightroom, and then I turned it into a LUT, and I can use it on my videos. Of course, the filter is more like the bundle that I usually use on my posts, videos, and all of that is available, and you guys can get it, and I'm gonna link them down below. Welcome to the editing side of things. Now, I edited the video and realized that I did not tell you guys how you guys can turn the preset into a LUT. So here it is. The website that I use is lutcreator.js to turn my presets into LUTs. The first step that you have to take is download a HALT. Now, the HALT is going to look something like this, and then you guys are going to edit the preset onto this HALT, which I'm going to show you guys right now. So then transfer the HALT into your phone and then add the preset that you guys want to transfer into VN or more like use on your videos. Just save the HALT as a PNG or a JPEG, it doesn't matter, and then use the website to create a .cube file. You guys can then use the .cube file to transfer your filter onto VN and then use it on every single video that you guys want. Now, the editor that I use is VN editor. Now let's start a new project. I'm gonna just choose some videos here. Now, once you edit your clips in VN editor, you guys can add the filter. Now, the filter is, of course, my customized filter. As you guys can tell, it's called #dark. This is one of mine. Just apply all. Then I have it in all my clips. After we have all the clips in VN editor, we have to add the sound. Now, the sound, you guys can go to click the music button, click the sound, and you guys can tell it's extract from a video. That's why we recorded our screen, so we can extract a sound from a video. Then you guys choose it and then extract it. I already did that, so I do not need to do that. I have here a whole ass folder called IG. Stay happy. So this is the sound that I want to use, which is called Z. I don't know why they call it Z. And I kind of cut the sound to the part what I want to use and add it to my video. And then usually now the clips that I take, or I cut the sound where I wanted to change the clip. So for example, here is the one that it says I want to stay happy, and afterwards I want a new clip, so I just clip it. It's a big and I clip it, or you guys can like split it, not clip it. So you can split the sound where you want to change the clip, or you guys will do it like this, that you just take 1 second or 0.5 seconds of the clip, and then you just use that, which is what I usually do. I just take 0.5 or 1 second. So now that you guys have everything on 0.5, you guys can change the order, when the video will be up, when the video will, what video comes next. Now, for example, when you are creating now one effect that I always use is the zoom in and zoom out effect. So you guys just scroll down here, and you guys can see that we have zoom. Just click on it, and you guys either do zoom out or zoom in, move right, move left, up and down, and all of that shebang. So I usually just take one of them, and then I say apply to all. And sometimes I also mix it, so you guys can also do that. Now, when it comes to adding text on your videos, you just do text, title. I usually just do standard. I just clicked on standard because add a text like take care is the one that I used. Now it's your choice what you want to use. I align it in the middle, and I like it big, a little bit bigger. That's too big. And I align it in the middle. When it comes to your fonts, on VN they have a ton of fonts. So these are like the fonts that VN has. The ones that I use the most is Book or Marvel. I also use Jurassic sometimes, but I added my own fonts into VN. So the one that I use the most is Sage, but also Moody. So these are the two fonts that I added into VN. Just like the filter, I think I created my own shit everywhere. So yeah, these are the two. I think the one that I use in the video on IG is Moody. And now then I have two lines. You just add this, and then we have here the line one. I like to just input some. So something like that. Obviously I work a ton on it, more like I do a lot more than this, and I like to have the text go all over the video. So this is how it looks like, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. But yeah, now as you guys can tell, the most important part of this whole video is the filter that you guys are gonna use. The filter that I use is dark, which is included in both of my bundles. It is included in the 6 bundle, in dark and Moody one, and in dark Moody 2.0. Now the 2.0 has 9 plus 1 filters, so there are basically 10 filters. Actually I want to do 9, but then I added an extra one because why not? I mean, why do 9 when you can do 10, right? And the other one has 6 presets that you guys can use on Lightroom and then turn them into LUTs. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up and make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. And yeah, I will see you guys next week.